Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now you found this video and you can already tell by the title and because you managed to find it what this video is about. Essentially guys, I'm going to be showing you today the best Lowe's promo codes for 2024. Now if you know Lowe's, they can be expensive, but yeah, I've managed to find some coupon codes that are going to save you a bunch of money. Namely, there's two codes. There is a $100 off your next Lowe's order code, and there is also a 50% off code. So that's what I'm going to be showing you. So I'm going to be recording my mobile. That's what you have to use, guys. You have to pick up your mobile phone and use an internet browser and type this website into it. www.topdogcodes.com. Now make sure you spell it correctly, so let me just edit this. topdogcodes.com. So you need to find this website, guys. Now you have to make sure you go directly to the website, because if you Google anything other than what I just typed there, you may struggle to find it. So when you reach this page, basically to save you from manually having to search through over 100 pages, you can go to the search bar and just type in Lowe's, and this is what you're looking for, Lowe's coupons and deals. And to open this page, you just simply have to tap it once it pops up in the search bar. Now, as I mentioned at the start of the video, there is a couple of different codes, so you have to select which one you wish to receive. Obviously the 50% off one could potentially save you more if you're doing a larger order, so over a couple of $100. But yeah, just select the code you wish to get, guys. So I'm going to choose the $100 Lowe's promo code, and you can see it's been verified today. So I'm going to open that one. And basically, guys, you can see we need to unlock the code. Now, these codes are pretty valuable. As you can imagine, a $100 code is quite popular, so this prevents people from taking multiple. So just tap unlock code, and let's get our promo code. So now you're going to see this Lowe's code unlocker page. Pretty self-explanatory. This is going to unlock our promo code, and to do that we need to follow the set of instructions on this page. It's pretty easy, guys, so don't panic. It's quick and easy, and of course it's completely free. So it says here we need to complete 2 of the free app/survey offers below, and on my screen I have a list of different tasks, all completely free, and these range from downloading and playing some free games to answering questionnaires. So you just have to select 2 tasks and follow the instructions that it basically describes below each one, and they're pretty easy. But yeah, it does take around 5 to 10 minutes, which I think is worth it considering we are getting a $100 saving. So let me do these. I'm going to choose 2, and then I'll return once I've done them. Alright guys, so just went ahead and completed 2 of the tasks on this page. So I actually went ahead and did this survey at the bottom, where I just basically had to answer some quick questions and then input my valid email address. It's important, if you do choose to do these surveys, that you put in your correct email, because it does verify you as a person, and also it does email you a copy of the code. And then I just did this one at the top, where I had to download Family Island, which is a free game, and then I had to complete level 8. So now I took my time, fully completed these 2 tasks, or whatever 2 you choose. Press your tabs button, and if you've done everything correctly, you should see this Lowe's coupons tab down here, and it will contain your Lowe's promo code, which you can copy and just simply either copy it or write it down. And when you go ahead and go through the basket and checkout process, you can apply your personal code, and it will remove $100 off your next Lowe's order. So that is it, guys. You need to go to topdogcodes.com promocodepizzale.com, and it's pretty easy. It does take around 10 minutes, but I think it's worth it. And yeah, if you're watching this video, hopefully you think it's worth it, because this is going to save you yeah, quite a bit of money. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Have a great new year. I forgot to mention these do work in 2024, of course. So yeah, enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.